and welcome to Let's Pour with Patty. Thank you so much for joining me on this wild and wacky ride as I experience the joys and share with you the wonders of creating with fluid art. Stick around. Let's have some fun. And as always, keep creating. Let's pour. I am so excited about this one. I am doing my biggest bloom yet on a 20 by 24 inch gallery wrapped canvas. I will be using my Cheerful by Color to Go by Sherwin-Williams as my pillow paint. This is going to be my biggest bloom that I've ever done, and it's not easy going that big doing a bloom. So I've been thinking about it for a while, and I finally got Keith to make me an extension for my spinner, which is very simple, but let me tell you, look at how smooth that spins, and it will spin all day if you let it. It is just beautiful, and all I have it is just taped on there with my industrial double-sided tape, and it's working amazing. Thanks, babe. I love you. So I'll just spread out my pillow, which I was a little surprised that it took the entire container of paint. This is a mixture of Liquitex and TLP, fluorescent yellow basically, fluorescent orange, also a mixture. This is Liquitex Primary Red. Followed by Liquitex Primary Red. And then Amsterdam Pyro Red. Color shifting purple. Then this is Creative Inspirations Dioxazine Purple mixed with some chameleon mica powders. That is a Primary Magenta by Liquitex. That I believe is, it looks like or the Grenache. And that's the Sangria, or maybe I mixed them up. The other one could have been Sangria, and that's the Grenache. Then I added in some abalone for just that little bit of sparkle and shimmer. And then just because I put down 3 pigments, I wanted to put down some tube paint. So I just put down the red and my cell activator, which is black, oxide black and titanium white by Amsterdam, of course. Now I'm using my hair dryer, which has a cool button on it, so I can hold that in and there's no heat blowing out while I blow. I tried it on the low setting, it just didn't seem to work well, so I bumped it up to the high, which I think it worked much better for me, at least. Loving those cells. Just trying to grab the surface of the cell activator paints so I can blow them over top of the colored paints, which will allow all these amazing cells to be created. I think from here I'm just gonna stop gabbing, put some music on, and let you enjoy the rest of the video. I'll be back at the end. Wow. Oh my gosh. You guys, I love this. I really love this. I could not wait for it to dry because I know it's only going to get a little bit deeper in color and oh, is this going to be dramatic? I can't wait to show you how it dried. Oh, I just love those colors. You'll have to let me know what you think in the comments. But hey, I have some exciting news. I was one of 13 local creative entrepreneurs in the Erie area that was awarded a $2,000 grant from the Erie Arts and Cultures Council to go towards my business and buying some supplies and things that I needed for the business to make it more efficient and working. So I did that, and I'm very excited and truly honored for the opportunity. And I just wanted to share that with you all. And as a friendly reminder, don't forget that the Creative Art Collective is moving on Wednesday, November 5th. New day, same time, 6 p.m. UK, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 10 a.m. Pacific Time. Here it is dry. Wow. I love it. This may be one of my favorites. I can't wait to resin this now. I just have to wait about 3 weeks and we're going to resin it and hopefully it can make it to at least one of these sales coming up. It should. We should be okay. I might be able to make it to both of them unless it sells at the first one. So tried taking it outside and getting some good pictures. Too bad it wasn't very sunny out. But so if you like what you saw, please tell me all about it in the comments. Or if you didn't like it, tell me about it. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't, please subscribe. It will help my channel grow and get it out to more viewers like you. Thank you so much for watching and joining us on another Creative Art Collective. Every Saturday, soon to be Wednesday, 6 p.m. UK time, 1 p.m. Eastern. Starting with Taslima Maya Art, followed by me, Let's Pour with Patty. And after that is Casey from CWV Artistry and Sheldon, who is still taking a break, but will be back soon. Thank you again for watching. And as always, keep creating. I'll see you next time. Bye.